Hey go hi levelers. In this video we will be discussing about the management of your snapshots, editing more details in your snapshots. Right now as you can see we are in all the apps, and as you can see in your snapshots, these snapshots will be taking part in the competition. So just be careful, choose the right one, add in the basic and as much details as you can. Create a snapshot from here, add in the need. Select the snapshot available in your agency. Make sure that your all the apps has been configured with your agency correctly so that the snapshots can appear in here. Choose any of the snapshots, choose the location, create one. As you can see, it has been created. View the details, get it configured from here. So look at it. In the location section, you will be finding out the workflows, the custom fields, the custom values, forms. We will be just discussing them one on one. You can just add the details or comments for the users or the buyers from here. As you can see that if you want to just add in more documentations regarding any of the workflow, that how you want to guide them and just let them know how to operate this workflow from here. Just add in the comments for your custom fields as well. Upload it by yourself. The custom values will be also available. You can just have a look on them as well. There are forms available that are uploaded by your agency. There are surveys available. There are funnels. A lot of the data has been uploaded here. There are pipelines. There are calendars. There are calendar groups. There are objects, and then there are tags, trigger links, email templates, SMS templates. Just have a look at the variety of options available here. This is the folder management. You can just create your own folders from here just to categorize and to just manage the things in a more better way. Create a new folder, add in here, and you can just add the content in that folder, that what kind of data you want to add in that specific folder. And just to make sure that everything has been categorized, you can just create more folders in here to manage the things in a more better way. There's a media library. You can just add the videos regarding your snapshots and guide your users or the buyers from here. Create the categories of your library in here. Create one, and after that you can just, in the locations, you can also create a category. There's an onboard section, just like all the apps. You can just guide your users how to get onboarded, how to get your snapshot configured, and add in documentations so they can just be more sure regarding their onboarding of their snapshot. There can be a checklist. You can just create your own checklist for the users in here. You can just add in quiz to make their knowledge more better. There are change logs. Whenever you just make any changes, you can just add in the details in here with the time bracket in here for the location or the agency or the other stuff. There's a roadmap. You can just add in the details, what's upcoming, what is in the wish list, what is in the progress, what is in the testing, and what is completed now. So they will be knowing how the things are working right now. There's knowledge base. You can just add in the details. You can add in the articles regarding your snapshots in here. You can just create the folders in here. There should be FAQs. There's an editor. You can just create a new document like this, and then the subcategory, and add in the article in here, and that will be shown to your users from here. There's settings. You can just get it also white label from here, adding the details. There's an logo. There are general information. There is branding. There are footers, domain configuration from here. Follow the instructions and get your knowledge base white tables as well. There are custom value forms. This is more crucial from the other ones. From here you can just update your forms in here through the steps and just get it saved from the editor. There are fields, there's name, there's address, and the form will be shown to your users or the buyers, and then the custom values will be updated on their agency. There's whiteboard. From there, you can just guide your users how the things can work and how to just manage things right away from your agency or sub account in here. You can also update them regarding the apps that this kind of apps were used in the workflows or the automations, that this trigger is from that app and this action is from that app. More updates are also coming. I will be updating you with that too. Hope you like it. Thank you so much.